Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. Since my last video was an in-depth makeup transformation / makeup tutorial, I know what you've been thinking. When is challenge tutorials making a comeback? Hello, here I am. Hello, good to be back. To me, because I've been doing so many challenges lately, when I don't do them for a week, it feels like a lifetime. So, I'm back. Today I came up with a brand new challenge that I think you will really like, but then again, this is YouTube, so the possibility that somebody did it 6 years ago is very likely. If this has been done, please comment down below, then I can credit this person in the description box. I'm so sorry, I don't think anyone has done this. Okay, moving on. So in today's challenge, it is all about venturing into brand new makeup products. In the What's in the Bag makeup challenge, I have a makeup bag that someone else has put together and up to me to create a full-on makeup look with this. I don't want to foreshadow anything, but if this does well, I can have subscribers from all over the world send me packages with makeup bags filled with makeup, and then it's my task on camera to make a really good look. It just so happens that my manager went on a holiday to Thailand. Wes went to Thailand and he put together this makeup bag right here. Oh my God. In here is a bunch of stuff from Thailand, and I know he told me that he tried to stay as authentic as real to real Thai products. This is the first time I'm actually holding the bag. He planted it in my studio and I couldn't look into it before filming. So right now, on camera will be the first time that I see what's inside. I don't know if Wes got my foundation shade. I don't know if Wes got every single product to complete a look, but in here is today's look. And I do quickly want to mention that I saw that Tati went to Thailand as well, and she did a full-on Thai beauty haul. I purposely did not, I usually watch all her videos. I purposely did not watch that because I didn't want to get spoiled because the same products might be in here. So some of these products might look familiar to you because you saw them on Tati's video, but yeah, I am really excited about this challenge. So without any further ado, if you would like to see what's in the bag, plus what it will look like on my face, then keep on watching. Okay, Wes, you better not let me down or you're fired. I'm kidding. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that, there's a bunch of products in here. Ooh, 24-hour cover all foundation, longwear full coverage foundation. Ooh, Wes got me eyelid tape. I've always wanted to try this. I might do a separate video on this. This has always been so fascinating to me. Translucent powder by Shrishant. Orchid moisturizing mask. Look how cute. It looks like a little pop figure. Oh my God. BB Snail. Ooh, this is pretty. Is this like the Thai equivalent of Makeup Revolution? This looks like Makeup Revolution to me. Oh my God, I love this. Gina Glam. Look how cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and find the first step. Okay, so I think I should be starting off with the BB Snail Cream or the Promina Ginseng Pearl Cream. Oh, packaging so cute. Look at that, that is so cute. But how do you open that? Hello? How does one open? Oh my God, this is like me opening up to new people. It's like, almost. Oh, here we go. What on planet Earth is this? That looks like a cheesecake. This is this makeup? It is super, super thick. Also doesn't do much. Okay, we're putting that back because I'm applying it on the skin and it feels a little bit hydrating, but it's not a lot is happening. Time for the BB Snail Cream. Oh, the BB Snail Cream is an actual BB cream that has coverage in it. Ooh, liquidy. Okay, so Wes didn't provide me with any brushes or sponges, so I'm just gonna go in with my Juno & Co. Velvet Sponge to apply the Snail BB cream. Applying it onto the skin, and thank God he put in the 24-hour foundation because this has no coverage whatsoever. On a coverage scale, this is about a -20. Not that I've ever smelled a snail or snail slime, just snails in general. I didn't really know what kind of scent to expect from snail products, but it smells good. It smells nice and fresh. Like, it's not fruity or flowery, but it smells fresh. It's another F word. It kind of gives the skin a beautiful sort of radiance. I think this would be such a good product on days where you don't want to wear makeup, but you do want that glistening sort of beaming glow going on the skin, because this just made me look like I actually slept for once in my life. Okay, time for foundation. Like I said, it's by the brand Mistine. Now, claims of it being high coverage are, don't know how I feel about that. This definitely is not a full coverage foundation. The consistency of the foundation is very liquidy. Like, there's not a lot of grip to it. Like, it's not very dense to the touch. I'm finding it the slightest bit ironic that it says oil control when I feel like I just put so much oil on my face. Time for concealer. This is by the brand Mrezka. Long wearing and high coverage liquid concealer. Please be high coverage. Ooh. Okay, right after I blend this in, I'm also gonna dip into the Shrishond translucent powder. I'm living for this packaging to set the base. Okay, so I'm kind of feeling like the concealer isn't getting a fair chance because the base is so oily. Like, it's so hard for it to get a grip. So that is what we're looking like after applying that. As you can see, I look a lot more glossy than usual. So it's time to set. Oh, look how cute. That is such a cute puff. Oh my God. That is a powder. Oh my God, when I say this mattifies, this mattifies. This is like Laura Mercier in its final form. Oh my God, so matte. Okay, so for brows, like I said, I'm seeing this eyebrow natural brown. It's sort of like the basic pencil, soft drawing pencil and brush. And this is so cute. It almost looks like an actual pencil. It is so tiny, so thin. I think I'm gonna do like individual brow hairs with this because it's so thin. Don't see brow gel or anything like that, so that's great. These both are like about the same color, like equally as dark, so I'm just gonna go for this one right here, the soft drawing one. Okay, let's do this. That is a whole lot warmer than I would usually do. You know what? Warm, dark brows it is. It's a new trend. Filling in. This is such an intense brow. I am going to do individual brow hairs at the front using this little nifty little thingy. Oh my God, that is everything. Oh, look how natural it drew in those hairs. Wes, I know you're watching this. I'm gonna have you fly back to Thailand to pick up 10 more of these. Oh my God, look at that. All right, and then going back into that concealer that I used and using it to cut the brows and also as an eye base since there's not an eye primer in here. So these are the brows completely carved out, and as soon as you carve them out, I feel like they're totally passable, and I actually really like it. So for eyes, like I said, I'm about to prime using the concealer, and when I look in the bag, I can find 2 palettes. Oh my God, there's candy! Blueberry cheesecake. So I'm really into this, the Gina Glam palette. Look at that color palette. That is so up my alley. So I'm just gonna do this eye on camera first to see what it looks like, and then I'll replicate off camera to save time. This reminds me so much of the Kylie summer collection color, that coral, that neon coral. Going in with this. So I'm first just stamping that color on and getting the shape, and then I'll worry about buffing out and blending and all that. But so far, hello Thailand! So I'm using soft circular motions right at the edge of where the color sort of stops to buff out that harsh edge. And this will get it perfectly prepped for the color that will go above it. Blendy, blendy, blendy. I am blending in a harsh, unblended world. I know this has nothing to do with Thailand or the what's in the bag, but this brush, it has just leveled up, like level up. It has leveled up my blending skills. This is the S185 by Cosette. Using this sort of like flat against the skin, using almost no pressure and kind of just scratching the skin. It just blends it out so perfectly for you. Obsessed with this brush. On the lid, I wanna apply this color right here. This is so fun. Like the quality is good. I love the colors. Yes. Then of course I have to highlight that inner corner using this white shade. Oh. Then for the lower lash line, I'm taking this color right here. Okay, so when I look in the back for lashes, I have these two right here. Eyelashes in, that's funny, eyelashes. FB02, and then the Cos Wonderlust eyelashes, 100% handmade. I'm thinking I'm gonna go for these. And I also saw, yes, Wes, this, an eyeliner. So I can actually hide the lash band by lining the inner corner of my, oh my God, by lining the inner corner of my eye. Okay, so let me do that. I have a feeling that these are gonna be, yep. So soft. Wes, you know I love my drama. That's so soft. So I popped a little glitter on the lid because it was starting to look like all the other red tone looks I was doing on my channel lately. I didn't want to bore you, so I popped glitter on the lid to, as an element. Surprise. Now, even though these lashes are sheer, I feel like Wes did such an amazing job so far with like the eye palette. I mean, the base, even though it's not my favorite, it has come along. And I feel like videos like this, where other people go out and determine what will be in the bag, is gonna be so interesting to sort of like push your buttons and to like get your inspiration flowing and your creativity, because you really tried to do the best with what you have. And I think that's so interesting. I feel like sometimes we get comfortable, especially me, with makeup products that we know work for us, and we don't really venture out into the big world, the big mad world of makeup. I feel like this could be so interesting for future videos with Chinese beauty, Korean beauty, like makeup from the East. I feel like the possibilities with this one are endless, and I'm having a good old time today. Okay, so back to the bag. Let's focus on cheeks. So right here, I have a Pro Skin Smooth Focus and Define shading, and it looks like, oh, it is sort of like a hybrid between a bronzer and a contour. So I'm gonna be using that to do it. That was so bad. I do feel like that can look a little bit muddy when you push it too far, but nonetheless, I am bronzed, honey. Woo, this look is coming along. Okay, now I have this palette right here, the Pro HD Blusher and Highlighter Contour Palette, and I'm gonna use this one for blush. It's a shimmery blush. A shimmery blush that has close to no color and a lot of shine. I mean, when you really get your brush in there, we get somewhere. Hello. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna go into this one right here. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I am starting to think that my manager deserves a round of applause, because clearly he's got my back. Yes. Okay, so lastly, let's see what's in here for lips. Flower Jelly Lip Gold. Miss Teen Perfect Lip Colors Hydrating Lip Color in the color Healthy Pink. We have Savannah Colors Waterproof. Ooh. Waterproof lipstick. Okay, so this is what's inside the Flower Jelly Lip Gold, and then this is what, there's a flower in here. Oh my God, it's like a clear lip balm with a flower inside. I'm not touching this. Okay, I'm gonna go for the waterproof sort of lipstick stick. Ooh, I am really not liking that formula. Look. I'm just gonna go over top with this. Oh, hello. That is not the color that I wanted. And that is it, guys. That is the completed look using only what was in the bag sent by my manager, Wes, when he was on holiday in Thailand. How do you think I did? I think this is such a fun, party, colorful look. Wes definitely knows what colors I like, except for the pink lipstick, because I really don't like pink lipstick on me. So how do you think I did? Definitely let me know in the comment section down below. And please let me know in the comment section down below if you like this and if you think I should do more. And if you do think I should do this more often, then please give this video a thumbs up so I know that I should do that. Also, please let me know in the comment section down below what country or like what area could be interesting for a what's in the bag challenge. I want to thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun doing this video for you. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you want more like this. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.